Good morning, students. Today we will discuss unit step function. Unit step function is represented by u of t minus a. U of t minus a is equal to 0 for t less than a and 1 for t greater than or equal to a. Here in the graph, t along the x-axis, u of t minus a along the y-axis, u of t minus a along the y-axis. When the value of t, t value a function value will be 0. T value greater than or equal to a, function value 1. This is the definition of the unit step function. Unit step function represented as u of t minus a. U of t minus a. First, we have to find out the Laplace transform of unit step function. Laplace transform of unit step function. That is Laplace transform of u of t minus a. From the definition of the Laplace transform, it can be written as 0 to infinity e raised to minus st u of t minus a dt. By the property of definite integral, we can split into the limit, that is 0 to a e raised to minus st u of t minus a dt plus a to infinity e raised to minus st u of t minus a dt by the property of definite integral. That is, in the first case, 0 to a, from the definition of the unit step function, 0 to a u of t minus a is equal to 0. The first part will be 0. The second part, a to infinity, lower limit a, upper limit infinity, e raised to minus st u of t minus a is equal to 1 dt. Then integrate e raised to minus st with respect to t. When you integrating e raised to minus st by minus s a to infinity. Then we apply the upper limit and lower limit. 1 by minus s taken outside. When we apply the upper limit 0, then when we apply the lower limit, we get e raised to minus as. When you're releasing the brackets, we get e raised to minus as by s. This is the Laplace transform of u of t minus a. This is known as Laplace transform of u of t minus a. The Laplace transform of u of t minus a is equal to e raised to minus as by s. E raised to minus as. This is the answer. This is the proof. L of u of t minus a is equal to e raised to minus as by s. You just note down this result. Laplace transform of unit step function is equal to, we should remember the result. Laplace transform of u of t minus a is equal to e raised to minus as by s. We should remember the result. Laplace transform of u of t minus a is equal to e raised to minus as by s. Okay.